Hi guys, this is my toy, my motorized bike. See that? This one is a copper racer build. This one is a gas bike spring with 49cc engine, 4-stroke. And the other one here is the 2-stroke with two magneto, one for the light and one for the spark plug. And it helps two magnetos. It helps the this one is I make cover because of two magneto is I installed there. Yeah, it's help. One is for my lights, this one, and this one. This one is I feel a power, different power from the stock one, from the one magneto. Now it's more power, easy to take off because it helps. I put two magneto. It helps the CDI to give more power to the spark plug. Yep, that's my toe stroke. I have here one more, but this is a motorcycle, a coffee racer build. This one. Okay, we're here in my 4-stroke. This one I installed a shock load. I give you tips about the jetting of this one. When you run in -5 to -45, you need the rich jetting. Like I try 75, I try 67, but it's no good. But the perfect one is 70 mm for this carb. I changed the stock one, and I buy air filter for this one. See, and this one is the big pipe here. I want a loud one. I like a loud exhaust. This one is, I feel the different in stock carburetor to the new one. This one. And this one, I like this one, more power. The copper razor build. You see that? Wait, I remove this one. Yeah, see? Very nice, this one. I like it. This is my everyday ride in -20 to -40. And I ride this one the whole winter for 2 years. And this one is no problem yet. It's very good. This is perfect. See that? I changed the pipe also, the exhaust. Like this one is the big one, like a big bike exhaust. This one is Honda CG125 tank. This is a copper racer seat, and this one is the copper racer headlight. This one is I get in other bike, in the chopper bike. This bike I get only for free because they throw this one in the garbage, so I decided to get this one and build as a motorized bike. It's hard to fit the motors, but I do the bracket here to hold the motors perfect. And this one, big one, see, all my motorized bike is have a extra CDI for my light. See this? And one more there for the spark plug, and one more here. This is extra. See, this is for my light. See, same with this one. This is CDI here for my 49cc, and there's another CDI here for my lights. See that? That's it. That is my my house full of stuff, my toy. Thank you guys. And one more thing guys, I forgot, this exhaust you can upgrade it one in 4-stroke for 4-stroke engine, but not good to the 2-stroke engine. This is a tips only for you. I plan to get the MC65 pipe, the real one, not the fake one, for this one. That's the perfect exhaust for 2-stroke like this. This one I get this one as a summer use. I get this one 66 and perfect for summer. Yep, that's it. And thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.